Good morning, Avid kids. Today is Tuesday. It is the 7th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are staying healthy and making videos for you guys and barbecuing. Some of the good things that you guys have shared with me recently are cakes, donuts, French toast, mint tea, breakfast burritos, hot drinks, coffee, going for walks. Very important. Do that. I'll be going for a run a little later. Roblox, Xblocks, Rain, learning Vietnamese, and all kinds of other cool stuff. I love the good things that you guys are sharing with me. So I'm going to make this a short video today, looking at our assignment guide for Avid, and I'll be putting this on my haiku page in just a... Actually, it is on the haiku page already. It just says Dream School. So in addition to using all those Avid strategies we've talked about all year in all of your classes, even though I'm not requiring you to do Cornell Notes or TRFs, please remember those strategies and use them. And I'd like you to reflect back to that resume we did about a month ago. And I'm doing that via this assignment that I'm calling Dream School. So here is that assignment. I'll be sending this to you along with this video on Google Classroom at 8 o'clock this morning. Avid Dream School. Last month I asked you to create a fantasy resume. This resume included your dream school and job. Please reflect on that resume and decide if that is truly your career goal. Answer the following questions. My dream career is, the best school for this career is, I know that this is true because... What I mean here is, please fill in your research process. How do you know that the best school for underwater oil rig welding is Ohio State, right? Go just do some basic Googling, right? If you're interested in animation, where do you go to school to become an animator? What is the best school? Who has the best programs? What is the best school for the particular type of animation you want to do? Maybe it's not even a school. Maybe it's maybe it's not a traditional college. Maybe it's some sort of a technical or career type school. Anyway, detail how you came to that conclusion. This could also be talking to other people, right? Talk to people who are doing that job and say, hey, where do I go to school if I want to be great at this job? Where do I get a degree from? What degree do I get? And how is that going to help me get a job? Is this a school that you will pursue attending? There's no right or wrong answer here, right? Maybe through this process you realize that all the best marine biology schools are ones that aren't feasible for you to go to, right? So maybe you're going to the second best. Maybe you're going to one that isn't so good, but you need to stay home or stay in this area, and so you're going to go to the best available. Anyway. Answer those 4 questions. Please submit this in about 24 hours. I'll make it due tomorrow. That is it. Stay safe. Stay well. Bye-bye.